Hey guys, what's happening? How to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. First of all, go ahead to the settings. And then general, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Now, what you're gonna do, just go back to your screen, right? Swipe down to your screen and try to pin down password app, right? From there, you're gonna be able to basically access the Apple ID passcode, or password, right? And then excuse me, you're gonna see exactly what kind of account and password that you're using, right? Or you can simply go back and act as if like you're going to sign out or do anything that requires a password, right, from Apple specifically. And then what you're gonna do, just remove your facial recognition, right? Just do not be close to any, let's say, go to subscriptions, right? Make sure that when you try to sign up, for example, right, now you're gonna be able to see your passwords from here and close to the Apple password. That's another comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.